Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to cancel and refund on Goat. So let's get into the video. So if you have ordered on Goat and you wish to cancel it for whatever reason, so what you can do, just open up your Goat app. So once you open up the Goat app, and then if you want to cancel an order, just make sure that the order is not shipped yet, because if it's shipped then you won't be able to cancel it. So what you're going to do, go to your profile here and hit on your orders option here. So under purchased item you will see the order, you will see the orders you have purchased. So select the order that you wish to cancel. I have none here because I don't have any purchased item yet. So just select the item, and then once you select the item there will be an option to cancel the order. So simply click on the cancel order. As I said earlier, if your item has not been shipped, it's pretty easy. So you can simply click the cancel order, and then the order will be cancelled and the refund will be automatically issued to you. Just to keep in mind, make sure I would like to highlight that the refund will be sent as a credit, which means you can only use that credit to make another purchase on Goat app. So that's how you will get the refund. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.